TimelyGrader AI is a brand new tool that's getting a lot of buzz. And today, I'm going to dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI software before you make any decisions. Stick around till the end, because I'll share my thoughts on whether this software is really worth your time. You can even try TimelyGrader for free from the first link in the description, so let's get into it. First off, TimelyGrader AI is an incredibly powerful grading tool that automates the process of grading assignments. It's designed for educators, businesses, and anyone who needs a faster, more accurate way to evaluate written content. This software uses AI to assess and grade submissions in real time, meaning that you save hours compared to manual grading. But what sets TimelyGrader apart is how it integrates machine learning to not only grade, but also provide feedback that's detailed, personalized, and relevant to the student or content creator. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by grading tasks, this software could be a game changer for you. The second crucial thing to note is the software's accuracy. TimelyGrader uses advanced natural language processing (NLP) algorithms that allow it to evaluate writing based on multiple factors, such as grammar, clarity, structure, and even creativity. It goes beyond just marking wrong answers. It can actually assess the overall quality of the work, which is a huge advantage if you're grading essays or complex reports. Now, if you're concerned about customization, TimelyGrader delivers here too. The software is highly adaptable, allowing users to tailor grading rubrics and criteria based on their own specific needs. Whether you're grading essays, short answers, or creative writing assignments, you can fine-tune how TimelyGrader evaluates each submission. This flexibility is a game changer for people in education, HR, or content creation who need to make grading decisions that align with their particular standards. One of the standout features of TimelyGrader AI is its real-time feedback. While other AI grading tools offer feedback after a delay, TimelyGrader provides insights almost instantly. This allows users to immediately improve their work, and it's incredibly valuable if you're working with students or employees who need quick feedback to improve. If you've been waiting days for feedback on assignments, this feature is definitely a time saver. Another benefit of TimelyGrader is its scalability. Whether you're grading a handful of submissions or hundreds, the AI handles it with ease. It's ideal for busy professionals, educators, and businesses that need to scale up their grading systems without sacrificing quality. This software can handle large volumes of submissions without slowing down, making it perfect for anyone with a high turnover rate or tight deadlines. When it comes to integrations, TimelyGrader offers seamless connectivity with popular learning management systems, LMS, like Google Classroom, Canvas, and Blackboard. So if you're already using any of these platforms, you won't need to jump through hoops to get TimelyGrader up and running. The integration process is smooth and doesn't require a tech expert to set up, making it super accessible for both tech-savvy and less experienced users. Lastly, TimelyGrader AI is designed with security in mind. It complies with industry standards for data protection, meaning that your sensitive information, such as student records or business data, is safe. It also offers encryption to ensure that all grading results are securely stored and shared. To wrap things up, TimelyGrader AI is a fantastic tool if you're looking to streamline your grading process with cutting-edge AI. It's accurate, customizable, fast, scalable, and secure, which makes it stand out in the crowded AI space. But here's the deal. Before you go, I've spent countless hours testing AI software, and after going through hundreds of options, I've got my recommended tools in the description. You can try them for free, and I definitely think you'll want to check them out. Remember to try TimelyGrader for free from the link below and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.